guys, good morning! Today, come with me as I harvest my bitter gourd. Come. Guys, this is my bitter gourd. The last time I was posted my vlog about this, maliliit pa ang mga bunga niya. Ngayon guys, we are going to harvest some of it because it's already mature and I'm so excited to harvest it. Look at this. Yeah, maliit pero mataba. Okay, let's go to get this. So we have now another one bitter gourd because after this we're going to have some bitter gourd with egg and bitter gourd with salad together with pipino. Look at this guys, oh very nice. Sige siya. Tanya muna ni Fernie, katagpo siya no. Tingnan nyo guys, oh 1, 2, 3. Ang sarap sa feeling guys na may imagine mo just the two plants. Now I am going to harvest some of the fruits. No? Sarap sa feeling na this is just a hobby pero ayan, from the garden going to our table. Okay, so I have here with me guys 3 pieces of newly harvested fresh bitter gourd from my garden. Oh look, soon na naman ito harvestin natin sa susunod, no? Hintayin muna natin silang mag-mature. This one, I don't know, oh, ang ganda ng kanyang tubo. Ito, ganyan na siya kasi siguro nung unang tumubo siya, nakabaloktot kaya yan ang tubo niya. Then, later on, tatanggalin natin itong mga leaves na ito para papasok yung sunlight kasi nga, di ba, plants need more sunlight. So, kailangan nila naman konting init kasi tingnan mo naman anong oras na ngayon, 9 o'clock, pero walang init dito. No, mamaya pa ang sikat ng araw dito sa kanila kasi nga shady yung place namin. Okay. So, here is still another one. Marami pa siyang bunga, guys. Pero, ewan ko kung mag-prosper siya kasi nga hindi masyadong mainit yung lugar nila. So, anyway, at least, kahit pa paano, meron tayo makukuha na pang-ulam. That's it guys for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.